I'm Ajit from Amrita College, Amrapuri. Here today we will be discussing about the challenges, roles and functions of an HR manager in the company TVS Eurogate. So I have contacted a person in that company. His name is Krishna. He is working as an HR executive. So first we will be introducing about his overview of job role in this organization. So he will be reaching in office at 8 o'clock and he will be going to home by 6 o'clock. From 8 o'clock to 6 o'clock, he will be facing a lot of challenges. As an HR executive in this organization, initially he will be starting his work from taking the attendance of an employee. The HR manager will be providing several works to be done for the particular day. The first part of this job role is he will be able to interact with every individual workers in this organization. So there will be no separation in every department. So he will be interacting with each and every department and have a better relationship between them. So a HR manager in an organization will be partners with the leaders and team and understand and execute the organization's human resources and talent strategy, particularly as in related to the current future talent and needs recruiting and relation and success planning in an organization. And also his role is to provide support and guide an HR generalist and management and other staffs when complex, specialized and sensitive questions which arises from other employees. So he also manages the talent acquisition process, which may include recruiting, interviewing and hiring qualified job applications. Particularly a managerial extent and professional role collabs with department managers to understand skills and competences. So as an HR manager, he will be analyze the trends in the compensation and benefits. So he also take part in researches and process competitive ways and initiative to pay the program and to ensure the organization attracts the needs of their firm. And it oversees the employees descriptionally mentioning terminals and investigations. An HR manager will be maintaining compliance with federal, state and the local employment law and regulation and recommended based on the practices. It reviews the policies and practices to maintain compliances. So, on the basis of requirement, the HR manager denotes that the candidate must be having excellent verbal and written communication skills, and he also should have excellent interpersonal negotiation and conflict resolution skills. Excellent organization skills and attention to detail is a very important skill a candidate must be having. Strong analytical and problem solving skills also needed in recruitment. Ability to prioritize tasks and delegate them when appropriate. Through the knowledge of employment, related law and regulation, proficient with Microsoft Office is suitable for the employee to be selected in an interview. In recruitment process, or initially, the candidate must be completed a bachelor's degree in human resource, business administration or related to a field required. A minimum of 3 years of human resource experience is preferred. And the physical requirements are prolonged period of sitting at a desk and working on computer, must be able to lift 15 pounds at a time, must be able to process, navigate each department in the organization facilities. The difficult challenges faced by an HR manager will be emotional and physical stability of employees. It means providing with wages and salaries to employees is not sufficient in this today's world. The human resource manager should be physically and mentally able to handle all the employees in an organization. It requires the feeling of employees and motivate them whenever it is required. And the second one is balance between management and employees. The human resource manager has a responsibility to balance both the management and the employees in similar way, which creates a profit to the company and will be leading the company in a higher productivity way. Last, training, development and compensation. A planned execution of training program and managerial development program is required to be undertaken to sharpen and enhance the skills and the development knowledge of the employees. Compensation is a form of salary, bonus, allowance, incentives and request in paid off according to performance of people. A word letter of appreciation is also to be given if some of them have done their jobs beyond the expectation level which the organization required. Last will be performance appraisal. This activity should not be considered a routine process by a human resource manager. If employees are not getting proper feedback from them, it may affect their future work. A scientific appraisal techniques that, according to challenges need, they should be applied in the quality of it should be checked from the time to time.